at Tagulan. Tonight, we gather to embrace the festive atmosphere that fills our hearts with joy and hope. The shimmering lights adorning our tree are not only a visual delight, but also a powerful symbol of renewal, reminding us of the warmth this season brings. As we come together, locals and visitors alike, we foster a sense of unity and community, sharing in the spirit of the holidays. Tonight's celebration is further enhanced by the harmonious voices of the Assumpta Choir. As they serenade us with beautiful Christmas carols, we invite you to indulge in our affordable Filipino cuisine dinner buffet at Cafe Militia. Savor delightful local delicacies that enhance this memorable experience. So let us enjoy the music, the food, and the mesmerizing lights as we celebrate this joyous occasion together. Thank you very much.
3 cheers for Mr. Kyle. Hep hep!
Hooray! Hooray!
Hooray!
Hep hep!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And now,